If you're thinking about escaping the heat this summer with the Coldeez Cooling Ace Mini Portable Cooler, wait a moment because this review might change your mind or at least make you think twice before buying. Coldeez.com is marketing this product as a revolutionary way to cool any space quickly and efficiently, claiming it not only helps you stay chill all summer but also saves on energy bills. Sounds like the perfect summer gadget, right? But when you start digging a little deeper, the picture isn't as cool as it seems. The website claims to be around since 2023, but the domain was actually registered in 2024, which instantly raises concerns about honesty. There's no about us page, no active social media presence, and the address listed on the site traces back to a company with a questionable reputation, Senchong International Tech. Plus, while Coldeez boldly claims to have over 7,900 5-star reviews, a quick look at Trustpilot tells a different story, a disappointing 1.7-star rating from only 19 real reviews. That's a huge gap that should make any smart buyer pause. As for the actual performance, while it might offer a gentle breeze for personal use in a very small area, it doesn't live up to the hype of cooling down an entire room, especially during peak summer heat. It's not completely useless, but it's far from a miracle solution, more like a fancy desk fan with an inflated reputation. So if you're still tempted to try the Coldeez Cooling Ace, the product is tagged in this video.